Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. All of these releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. We have 2 new exclusive arts, a new art, a new D-Stash pack, some characters, color of the week. So let's go ahead and get into it. We'll start at the very top. So the first thing we have here is number 14, which is a Captain Jack doodle. I actually already used one of these. This will be my sheet, and how stinking cute, perfect to use with the Captain Jack kit, or if you wanted to use it for Disney when you watch the movies, whatever may be, pirate party. Then the next thing here is the color of the week, another one chosen by y'all. It's a really nice cool toned like brownie taupe color in the 10 normal sheets. I will be having new doodles soon. I'm not entirely sure when my life gets kind of arranged and back to normal. Also going to be having some monthlies come out soon because I know a lot of y'all have been waiting for those. Then we have the next activity for the scribblers, and these are shopping, so they kind of have like a like achievement looking face, like a I did it, and then has a bunch of shopping bags and a receipt. So you have these in the normal 6 options that coordinate with the FAMs that we normally offer in shop. So adorable, love them so much. And then we do, like I said, have a new D-Stash bag for this week. This one is bougie boxes, which these are going to be a great deal. I don't remember the pricing exactly, but somebody let me know in the comments if I forget to put it in the description. But this is a pack of bougie boxes. So right here you have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gold. You have 8 silver. You have 8 rose, and then you also have 8 of the mixed metal, because we will be phasing out this size of the bougie boxes and be switching to the ones that are like the bigger ones that have 8 on a sheet. So these are going to be heavily discounted in a nice little pack that you could pick up. There's no hollow or sparkly hollow included because we didn't have much, if any, of those left. So those are the bougie boxes. I don't remember how many of these we have exactly, but I know they are limited. But if y'all like these, I will see if I can do another round of them. But I'm not sure if we do have enough because we are kind of on last stocking of these. It looks like we have under 100 of them. So this is going to be a bougie box bundle, great for building up your stash. Bougie boxes are so like universal. You can use them with any spread. You could layer them with Plan a Hannah underlays, perfection. So let's go ahead and get into the kits. So the first one here, we'll go through the new art, but not the exclusive art first. So this is Golden Woods. All of the kits this week will come in an ultimate and mini, of course. And this is a kit that Jess drew for Rings of Power. Rings of Power, yes. And it is the prequel to the Lord of the Rings trilogy, and I am so excited for it. It comes out, I think it's like the 1st or 2nd week of September. So I will be using this kit for it. I wanted to make the boxes kind of like you could use it just as like an autumn kit, but then also have the boxes where it makes it very Lord of the Rings, Rings of Power. I think it's beautiful, like in any which way you use it. And the foil options for this are literally limitless. I think it would look really pretty with gold, champagne lights. It would also look really pretty with copper, with rose, with if you had like an olive or a mustard or a brown, a matte bronze, the matte bronze, matte silver. If you want to do the gold champagne lights, mixed metal, that'd be really pretty. Just so many options. If you have like the Crest Press Butterfly foil bundle, I think the shimmers would look really pretty with this. I think dragonflies from Crest Press would look pretty with this. There's a ton of Plan a Hannah underlays. Like this is one where you could go crazy. And there's so many beautiful autumn colors in here. Like Plan a Hannah, I think pumpkin would look really pretty with it. I think burgundy would look really pretty with it. Olive would look great. Just so many options. So many options. So, or like I said, just do gold if you want to go like more basic foil colors. So you have your fashion boxes here, double box, 2 boxes, and your flat lays. I love the butterflies. I was like, stick them anywhere we can because they're so cute. I love these colors. They're just so fall, and I feel like I haven't seen any like fall art that's like really just fall colors. And then this kind of gives it, well actually just this one gives it more like Lord of the Rings, like the rings. But I don't think that like necessarily this is like super Lord of the Rings vibes, but also this could just be like jewelry boxes because they're just kind of pretty rings. Love these patterns. They're so pretty. These are what, like another one that I opened up, like the Zombina. I love those patterns. These ones I thought were really pretty too. All of the ones that were included with the art or with the, like this paper pack. And then you have the hand here with the ring, and then you have the ring like inscription on there, and then you have like a little ombre moment. I thought that was really pretty. And there actually is a really light, I overlaid one of the patterns and like made it like really faint and then used like a screen, I think, on top of it. And it just gives it a little bit of like texture on this, like you can kind of see it. It is the pattern that's on the, I think it's the extra color, this one. So it's this pattern, but it's just like lightly overlaid, and I think it gives it a little bit of interest versus it being just a solid color. So that is the kit. The freebie and the ultimate and mini is it Galadriel? Why am I like blanking on this? I don't know. I'll put it in the description because I don't know why I'm just like losing my mind today. But also that's just been kind of the theme for 2 weeks, but you know, so pretty, so exciting. Definitely pumped to see that spread like fully like laid out, especially because like I always say, dark colors with foil are the thing. So you have options if you want to do add-ons. There is the ombre, there is the functional, there's the doodle, there's the label. There's the label 2, which is this really pretty like cool toned brown, almost like leaning purpley maroon. And then there's also fan boxes. So you have the tall box here, and I loved in Blair doing like usually the tall boxes, it's like a full fashion, like from head to toe. But I think doing ones where you can see like the details, especially when there's these butterflies on them, so beautiful. So you have this here, and then you have alternative boxes for this one and this one. This one has like an olive skin tone with the brown hair, and then this one has gray hair, which I thought also kind of made it look like Gandalf with like his beard. But anyways, so you have the fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I think for me, I might actually use fam 1 because I think the red hair with this is just everything. And now let's move on to the exclusive arts. Y'all, my brain, I'm seriously like, just excuse me. So this here is Not So Scary. So basically I wanted to do kind of like Magic Bound, but it's basically like everyone's dressing up for a Halloween party and they're all dressing as villains. And I thought that that would be really, really fun and something different. I love the colors of this, and I'm probably going to use this either for Halloween week or the week prior. I haven't decided yet because I just need to finalize my Halloween kit lineup, but it's either going to be that week or the other. I don't know, maybe if I have a Halloween party, I'll use it the week before because Halloween's on a Monday, right? I'm not entirely sure, but it's getting used. And I also don't know what foil I want to use with it. I'm kind of leaning like sparkly red. Red is not one of the colors in the kit, but there are red pops, and I just think like against these other colors, sparkly red would be everything. But I also think like a purple would be really pretty with it, a green, or you could stick to one of the core foils. You could do silver, you could do hollow, you could do sparkly hollow, you could do lavender hollow, you could do a mix of any of those. There are just so many options. We have a lot of sparkly red, or actually I think a lot of them sold out. I may have some sparkly red in shop, but this is everything. So you have Oogie Boogie, you have Maleficent, you have Corella, you have Ursula, and then you have Winifred, which is just so cute. The hand holding the like spooky potion and the poison candy apple, the like Haunted Mansion Disneyland kind of inspired house there that just looks like a haunted mansion where you're having your party. Again, I love these colors. You have just this scene here, which is perfect for a quote box or to be left alone. And then you have some like kind of themed cupcakes here of other villains just as like little nods with a little cake. Perfect also if you're doing a like Halloween birthday party, I think. I love these patterns. You have the spider webs and like the dots, and then the more abstract patterns. Again, the colors are everything. Gonna be perfect with any foil you put with it because they're dark colors. I think dark colors, light foils pop. And then you also have another cake here that kind of has inspiration from different villains on it as well. And then the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is the alternative skin tone option for that box there. But I am obsessed with this kit, and I love how it turned out. I think it's so cute, and I love all of the different fashion people in it. I just think it's a really fun take on like a Halloween costume party, and y'all know I love everything Disney. So let's go through the add-on options. So first things first, there is the doodle, and then there is also the functional ombre label 2, which is gorgeous. I love this. Like I said, there's not a lot of red in the kit, but I think red goes with these colors, and there's also lots of pops of red throughout. But I think like either pull this in or do a red foil. I think that's gonna be excellent. And then there is also kid options. So you have kid 1, 2, and 3, because there's like a little tiny bit of hair, but I made it all black for like Captain Hook. So you have kids 1. So you have Captain Hook, and then you have the Evil Queen. Is that what her name is? I'm pretty sure it's the Evil Queen. 2 and 3 for kid options. So cute. I love them. I'm obsessed with it all. Lots of villains represented in there. Then let's go on to the other exclusive art. This one is super spooky. I kind of want to use it though, because I think that, again, foil options are really, really key here. So this is Haunted Manor, and I told this artist, basically, I was just like, I just want a haunted house kit. I didn't tell them anything, and I was just so happy with the way it turned out because it looks so dark and spooky. This is one I think you could do gold, you could do silver, you could do a mix of those. You could do matte bronze, you could do matte silver, you could do a mix of those. And that's kind of where I'm leaning with this. I think this is the most excellent kit for matte bronze and matte silver together. It would just be so beautiful, or if you just wanted to do one or the other. But those would be my top picks for it, or you could do like a black foil with it. You could do, honestly, I'm just so in love with the matte bronze idea that nothing else is really like, everything else is good, but matte bronze, matte silver, one or the other or both, great. So this is very heavy on, there's like no fashion options really. So first thing you have here is your scene, and then you have like a cemetery, some cemeteries with like the crows, a spooky portrait, just a bunch of like knickknacks, thingamabobs, a baby doll head, more birds, books, typewriters, all the things. There's just so many clip art pieces to choose from. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. This is like just so spooky to me, and I'm so excited. I love the papers. Like this reminds me of like The Walking Dead almost, the ghosts, the cobwebs, and I just love a dark, moody, spooky spread. And again, with matte bronze and matte silver, this is gonna just look so good. I love the bottom washi with the hands, and then this has like a very faint spider web pattern on it just to give it spooky vibes. And then you have the skeleton holding the candle. Honestly, just so in love with this, and normally I'm not like crazy about spooky, scary spreads, but I just think this has a vibe to it, especially with the art style. It gives it like that, like kind of old, worn, like it's just a vibe. And then you have the like spooky cat here, and then the haunted spooky house. I don't know. I'm just literally obsessed with it, and I'm like 98% sure she's going into the main kit lineup. If not, she's going in my work planner, but I am going to try and make it happen because I think that the matte bronze, matte silver is just going to be so excellent. So also available in a mini kit, there is the doodle if you want to add it on, label, ombre, and functional. So that, my friends, is the releases this week, and I am so excited. I'm so excited for spooky spreads. I'm excited for it not to be like 103 degrees here. It's actually been like in the 90s, which is the most bizarre thing to walk outside and be like, oh, it feels nice out. It feels cool. Do you feel that breeze? And it's like 96, and that we're just like living our best lives. 93 some days, but I'm ready for spooky season. I'm ready for the like cooler months. Even this is just giving me that vibe. I'm so excited. Let me know if you're picking up these kits, what foils you're using with them, because especially this one, like I feel like this one, I'm set on the foil. This one, I feel like there's literally so many foil options that could go with this. Like red wise, I think we have, ooh, wait. Oh my God. I don't know if we have this like red star that would be really cute. There's red hearts. You can mix this with like a purple. I think that'd be pretty. Maggie had this one. I don't know if she still has it, the murder mystery. That would look pretty cool with this. And if she has it in like a gold or a silver, I think would look pretty with that one as well. But like the blood splatter on that one, kind of a vibe. There's just so many. Like, let me just pull out some. That's the end of the video though. But if you don't want to chit chat, that's the end. But I'm just like thinking there's so many foil bundles that could go. You can mix the purple stars and the red stars on that. I think that would be a vibe. Yeah, there's just like a lot of options here. Ooh, here's like a dark green. I forgot that this one exists. So pretty, like an emerald. Ooh, got an orange star. That would look pretty with this one. But anyways, okay. Enough talking from me, y'all. So yeah, everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern as per always. I believe this Monday, today, I'm also opening up mystery spots. This month mystery is different, but I'm so excited about it because it is just a theme I haven't really seen before, and it has nods to like a pop culture reference, but it's also not. So I'm very, very pumped about it, and I don't know when I'm going to use it actually. Actually, I have an idea, but if I say what it is, it's going to give it away, but it's so pretty, and I just feel like Jess just did it this month. Really, really killed it. So I'm very, 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 very excited about it. So I hope y'all like this week's new releases. Again, let me know what foils you're thinking in the comments down below, because sometimes I'm like Kirsten gets to fill orders and she sees what y'all pick together, and she'll be like, oh, I saw this person bought this, and I'm like, I want to know what everyone bought together. Let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to y'all. Speaking of Kirsten, she just did a release of Fall Scents, so check out Fantasy Wax. Try and link her down below too, and also the coupon code. So talk to y'all later. Bye.